What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the accordion widget from Elementor, how to create an FAQ section on your page, all for free. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with the login credentials. Review left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins, hit then add new. Go to popular tab and install Elementor, okay? Mine is already installed. No need to purchase pro version. I know devs will try to sell you, but you can keep it all for free. Then go to the page, into the left sidebar of menus, and go to add page, submenu. Click into this button, this purple button, edit with Elementor. This is gonna load for you the Elementor page editor. Wait while the Elementor page loads. Then review the left sidebar of menus on your page and search on general widgets, or you can search right here for accordion. There is a search field, you can type accordion. Click with your mouse button, drag and drop it right here. And here is the results you got. You can place anything that you want. For example, let me place something like a text editor right here. A text editor right here. And into the heading tree, maybe some image. Just like this. Let me grab some image. Just to test. So we have 3 headings right here, all with its own elements, okay? Then, if I click into heading 1, reveal the left sidebar of menus, you can change the title, in the case that you want. You can clone, in the case that you create a new one. You can add a new heading. What else you can do? We can change the position of the headings. You can change the icon positions. You can change the expand icon and the collapse icon in the case that you want. You can change the HTML tag, and this is the most important part, okay? In the case that you want to make this an FAQ section, I recommend that you mark this option, FAQ schema, okay? This is very important for AIs to understand your content, okay? And of course, some SEO metrics also are improved, okay? So remember to mark this option. There is some animation durations that you can change. All collapsed. First expanded. Multiple can be expanded or just one. Then you can place with the sizing, the distance, the hover, and the active colors and paddings in the case that you want. You can change header, for example, changing header colors in the case that you want. Text shadow, stroke, icon size can be customized. Spacing can be customized as well. And all in normal, hover, and active headings, okay? And in the case that you want, we can still play with the colors of the icons. Also can play with the content, changing the background style in the case that you want as well. There is some advanced tab that you can play with sizings around the accordion element. And after doing all the change you need, always remember to hit the publish button, okay? And in the case that you want, you can go back to the page settings, change page title, apply some featured image on page, change page from publisher to draft or something like this. You can allow comments into this page. You can hide the title into the page. And you can change the page layout with some template. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!